Number 1. 1981 Harley-Davidson FLH Shovelhead, $4,950, downtown Miami, Florida. The 1981 Harley-Davidson FLH Shovelhead represents the classic American touring motorcycle, combining unmistakable vintage Harley styling with the strong character of its 80-cubic-inch V-twin. Shovelheads from this era remain popular among enthusiasts who appreciate their distinctive design, mechanical character, and connection to Harley-Davidson history. This example shows 34,678 miles and features matching frame and engine numbers, along with a clean title. It has recently received new push rods, runs strong, shifts smoothly, and comes equipped with leather saddlebags, ape hangers, and a comfortable 2-up seat with backrest. With its flame paint and classic touring setup, this FLH is a great choice for anyone seeking a vintage Harley ready to enjoy. Number 2. 1969 Triumph TR6, $5,300, Glenside, Pennsylvania. The 1969 Triumph TR6 is a classic British motorcycle known for its charismatic single-carburetor 650cc parallel twin engine and timeless styling. The TR6 has long been appreciated by vintage enthusiasts for its simple mechanical design, engaging riding character, and important place in Triumph's history. This example has been transformed through a professional resto-mod custom build featuring electronic ignition and Mikuni carburetors. The motorcycle comes with complete build documentation and has reportedly won multiple shows, with approximately 3,000 miles since completion. For enthusiasts seeking a distinctive British classic with custom touches and proven presentation, this TR6 offers plenty of appeal. Number 3. 1974 Honda CB750 K4, $3,500, Lilburn, Georgia. The 1974 Honda CB750 K4 is one of the motorcycles that helped redefine the modern superbike, combining a smooth inline-4 engine with impressive performance and everyday usability. The CB750 remains an icon of Japanese motorcycle engineering and continues to attract riders and collectors around the world. This one-owner example has less than 20,000 total miles and fewer than 4,000 miles since a comprehensive engine rebuild. It features upgraded suspension, triple-disc brakes, electronic ignition, performance exhaust, an oil cooler, and numerous other improvements, while original parts are also available. With fresh service, a new battery, and a clean title, this CB750 is presented as a well-equipped classic ready to ride. Number 4. 1971 BSA 650 Thunderbolt, $5,900, York, Pennsylvania. The 1971 BSA 650 Thunderbolt 650 represents the classic British parallel twin motorcycle at a time when BSA remained an important name in the world of motorcycling. With its traditional styling and straightforward mechanical character, the Thunderbolt continues to attract enthusiasts who appreciate authentic British motorcycle heritage. This example shows 6,104 miles and is equipped with a 650cc engine and manual transmission. The seller notes that the motorcycle has been sitting for many years, so it may benefit from additional recommissioning before returning to regular riding. For collectors or restoration enthusiasts looking for a genuine early 1970s British twin, this Thunderbolt offers a solid starting point. Number 5. 1981 Suzuki GS750LX, $2,000, Olmsted Township, Ohio. The 1981 Suzuki GS750LX represents the impressive engineering of Suzuki's early 16-valve era, combining a smooth inline-4 engine with classic styling and strong everyday performance. Low-mileage examples are particularly interesting to collectors who appreciate original Japanese motorcycles from this period. This example shows just 3,411 miles and has been thoroughly recommissioned after years in storage. The seller rebuilt the carburetors with OEM Suzuki parts, serviced the brake systems, and installed a new battery, spark plugs, and air filter, while all electrical systems reportedly work properly. With excellent paint and chrome, a clean-looking replacement fuel tank, and its original accessories included, this GS750LX offers an appealing low-mileage classic package. Number 6. 1974 BMW R90S, $8,900, Wilmington. The 1974 BMW R90S is one of the most recognizable performance motorcycles from BMW's classic airhead era, celebrated for its distinctive styling, capable handling, and strong 900cc boxer twin character. This example takes that classic foundation in a more customized direction, combining traditional BMW engineering with a range of modern performance upgrades. The motorcycle features a 10,000cc Siebenrock engine upgrade with high compression pistons and Nikasil cylinders, rebuilt cylinder heads, Del Orto carburetors, electronic ignition, upgraded starter, and a 400-watt charging system. The 5-speed transmission has also been extensively rebuilt and upgraded, while custom paint, cafe fairing, new tires, and upgraded exhaust complete the package. With a clean title and extensive mechanical work already completed, this R90S offers a distinctive take on a legendary BMW classic. Number 7. 1973 Kawasaki S2 350, $7,500, Punta Gorda, Florida. The 1973 Kawasaki S2 350 is a memorable example of Kawasaki's early performance-focused two-stroke motorcycles, offering lightweight character, sharp styling, and the unmistakable personality of a classic triple-cylinder engine. Models like the S2 remain highly interesting to enthusiasts because of their rarity and important place in Kawasaki's vintage performance history. This example is described as a great-running rider and has received numerous updates including stainless spokes, a new throttle cable, clutch plates, grips, mirrors, foot pegs, and rear signals. The motorcycle also features fresh paint while retaining its original chrome, with all signals and the horn reportedly working properly. Although not presented as a concours restoration, this S2 offers an appealing opportunity for someone seeking a respectable and enjoyable vintage Kawasaki. Number 8. 1971 Triumph Bonneville T120, $5,500, York, Pennsylvania. The 1971 Triumph Bonneville T120 represents one of the most enduring names in British motorcycle history, combining classic styling with the familiar character of Triumph's 650cc parallel twin engine. The Bonneville remains a favorite among vintage enthusiasts thanks to its iconic design, engaging riding personality, and strong connection to the golden age of British motorcycling. This example is equipped with the traditional 650cc two-cylinder engine and manual transmission, with the odometer showing 27,887 miles. The seller lists the motorcycle as a 1971 Triumph Bonneville T120 and notes its clean title status. For collectors and riders looking for an authentic early 1970s British classic, this Bonneville provides a recognizable platform with plenty of vintage character. Number 9. 1948 Ariel Square 4, $9,995, Menominee, Wisconsin. The 1948 Ariel Square 4 is a fascinating piece of British motorcycle history, powered by the distinctive four-cylinder engine design that made the Ariel 4G Square 4 so unusual for its time. With its pre-1950s engineering and unmistakable character, surviving examples are especially appealing to collectors and enthusiasts interested in historically significant British motorcycles. This 1000cc example is running and riding, starting relatively easily and settling into a good idle once warm. The oil pressure gauge, generator, lights, ammeter, clutch, and transmission are reported to function, while the fuel tank is clean and rust-free. The charging system still needs attention, and the brakes are described as functional but weak, making this a fascinating vintage machine for an experienced collector or enthusiast. Number 10. 1983 Yamaha Vision XZ550RK, $700, Corinth. The 1983 Yamaha Vision XZ550RK is an intriguing piece of early 1980s Japanese motorcycle history, featuring a liquid-cooled V-twin, 5-speed transmission, and shaft drive. As the second and final model year of the Vision, it included several improvements over the earlier version, making well-preserved examples particularly interesting to enthusiasts of unusual Japanese classics. This motorcycle has not run in years, but the engine turns over and the bike comes with its factory fairing and lowers. The fuel tank is reportedly rust-free and undamaged, while the original black exhaust remains in very good condition beneath some storage grime. A factory Yamaha shop manual and additional Vision parts are included, making this $700 example an intriguing project for someone looking to bring an uncommon vintage Yamaha back to life.